Hello, welcome back. I'm Louise, and this is Art Journal by Louise. I wanted to show you some collage paper packs I've got in my coffee shop at the moment. I've just reduced them by 50%, and if you go over to the link that I'm going to give you and put in the code, or it might take you straight to it, but if not, the code is collage50. Okay, and I'll put the link down below. So I have 4 at the moment, but this one, they're all pretty much the same actually. Let me just show you. So I've added in a bit of everything really, just for you to have a play around in your own journal, or you can put it all together and make a journal. And if you buy one as well, I've done some more since, so I'll throw in some other little goodies for you. Some music paper, and this is just normal writing paper, you know, the A40 for the lines. This is graph paper, again the writing papers, like college roll, what you call it. This one is actually, you know, the instructions you get from IKEA. So that is underneath. This is sketch paper. That's the graph paper again. So that's what's in it at the moment. I did also want to tell you about a course that I'm in the middle of creating, and it's doing collage papers, making your own. With this, I'll give you a little sample. Actually, this is everything I've been creating so far. So in the course, I'll show you how to do all these. I'll show you what I've used and what the thinking is, all the different papers, stencils. I mean, these aren't finished yet, these are literally just what I've been doing at the moment. Just the basics, some of the basics. Where are we? I've got some like pages mixed in there. Those. And then I've done a logo on brown paper because it's so easy. You don't even have to go out and buy any paper. Just use the packaging that comes in all those parcels that we buy for all our art supplies. So it's a little snapshot of collage papers that I'm in the middle of doing. And I'm also going to do in the future a course for the journal covers, and I've done it already. I've started the cover, so this will be the cover that I'll be showing you how I created. So that's another course to come. And I just wanted to ask really if there was anything that you wanted me to create, show you how to create, then I could make a little course on that. I mean, they're not going to be expensive, it's not going to be a huge big course, it's going to literally show you how I create the thing, and you can go off and do it yourself. So yeah, in the comments, tell me what you would love me to show you in that little mini course, what to do. If there's something that you've seen me do and you wanted to know how to do it, this is the time to ask. All ideas are welcome. I'll just create a big list and then go from there. But the first course is going to be the collage papers, and I'll be showing you what the first layers, and then the second layers, and then the stencils and all the mark making and details, everything that goes into creating a collage paper ready to go on into a book. I've been doing this little book at the moment. This is just a little one that I threw together really from a brown bag, Amazon packaging that came, and like that. It's the collage papers, and they're ready to be added more onto. So you can just add your own little things on top. You can keep your collage papers as basic and then build on top, or you can build on them as much as you want and then put them into the page. It's entirely your own thing, but I'll go through that in my courses. But yeah, this is what I do. Just create the papers, put them together and have some fun. I mean, this is not finished, this is just a work in progress at the moment. And what one of the courses I'm going to be doing is showing you how I do the focal points, like all the little things I pulled together to make the focal points, which then go into the journal, so that I'm covering everything to do with a journal but in separate little courses. So you can take whichever course that suits you best. If you know how to do collage papers, then you may not be interested in that, but if you want to know how to put the book together, or what stages to do, what to do first and then to do after that, or anything that you're not sure of, and or how you do this, I do all my own hand dyeing from just plain white cotton, and it's not always like just plain pink. You can do all sorts of hands, and then you've got stitching and you've got all the things. So that's just a little side note really. But the main thing to show you was the collage paper packs. There's 20 pieces in it, but like I say, I'm going to bung a lot more in it as well, to make it worth your while. So check the code and the link and everything down below, and it's in my coffee shop, and there is only 4 packs at the moment. I do plan on doing more, but go on over and see what you think, and that'd be cool. So until the end of August, you can get them at 50% off. So thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.